did you know that Canva launched so many new features a few weeks ago that can help you grow your business, even that you didn't know about? Come with me so that I can show you how you can use these cool features to grow your business. As to its library, and if you are not using Canva, or if you are using any other software to be creating your digital products or any other things, it's also good. But me, I'm always using Canva, and they did a launch of so many new good things that you can use in your business. Yes, and there are so many new good things that you can use nowadays in Canva, and some of them I bet you didn't know, or maybe you knew about them, or another person didn't know about it. You can share this video to them. There are so many now that they launched of recent in their launch. Yes, and I'm going to show you some of them, yes, that they launched, and you can use them now in Canva. Yes, they launched so many things. Like nowadays you can use Canva offline, even if you don't have internet, Wi-Fi, what, you can still use your Canva. Even they launched print shop, where you can go ahead and print a product. You can try the print shop. Yes, but me, I tried it in my country where I am. It's not available yet, but maybe in your country where you are, it's already available. So you can go ahead and use that chance to start creating. As you can see, print shop is not available in my region, but I know for sure there are other regions where it's available, and that's why they created it. So you can go ahead and use that. Maybe if you have always wanted to start print on demand, you can go ahead and use Canva's print shop. Yes, and if it's available in your region, please comment in the comment section below so that we can know where Canva print shop is already available to those people who can access it. Yes, and they also launched so many other things. Yes, so many other products. Yeah, they have launched this one, which is Magic Layer. Here you can design products, but I wanted to walk you through these two that really sticked out for me, this Magic Layer and Canva Code. Yes, I really like them, and that's what I'm going to talk about mainly in this video. Yes, so when we go back to Canva, when I go back to Canva into my Canva dashboard, and remember, on Canva you can either use it on a paid version, on a free version. All of those can work, but there are those things that you are not going to reach when you are on a free version. Like these ones I told you, they just launched. You can't use them on a free version because they are new. Yes, so you have to pay a little fee for using them, but still you can use Canva for free if you want. So when we come on this one, which is called Magic Layers, what it can do, it can help you to edit your photos. Yes, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here on Google and find a photo that we are going to use in this tutorial. So for example, maybe I'll type in the word weight loss. So I'll get a picture from here. You can download a picture from anywhere, that maybe a picture you want to use. Maybe you can use it from Pixels or anywhere. So these are pictures right here. So I'll choose any picture that I would want to use. Maybe I'll take a picture which has words written on it. Maybe for example this one, which says proven 7-day diet plan. So I'll save this to my computer. Yes, and when it's finished saving, go ahead and use this. So now I'm going to go back here in Canva because I want to use this Magic Layer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload my photo into upload. So I'll click on create design. When I click on create design, maybe you are designing for your Instagram post or any of that. Maybe you are designing for your Instagram post or any of that. So you just come here and choose the type of design that you want to design, and after choosing that, then you go ahead and design. So you can choose custom size if you want to choose custom size, or you can choose social media if you are designing something for social media. For example, maybe I want to use that post as an Instagram post or any. For example, if you want to use it as a thumbnail, let me click on the thumbnail because that post was somehow big. Yes, so I'm going to go ahead and drop that picture here on this board where I'm going to design from. So I'll drop it here, right here. Yes, if you drop the picture and you can't see it, then you come here and click on uploads. On the uploads, it will be in the uploads on this section. It will be in the uploads. So you want, you can make it big, or you want, you can leave it like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on edit. I'll click on edit. When I click on edit, it's going to take me to different place where I can go ahead and edit my photo. So you come here and click on this button which says edit, so that you can go ahead and edit. So this is the menu where you can edit from, and we are going to click on this magic layer that we wanted to use before. So as you can see, it's saying this image is too small. So it's saying this image is too small, so we can go ahead and find another image. But I already have my designs in Canva, so I'll choose another design. Yes, it's saying the resolution is low, or we can come here and download another image. Let me download this one and we try using this one. So I'll save this image. We'll go ahead and use this one this time. So now I'll come back in Canva to see if this image will work. The image did not save, so I'll save it again. Okay, now it's saved. So I'll come back here in Canva. So this is the image. So I'll come back in Canva and I'll drag this image again. So the image is here now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like that. And I'm going to go back again and click on edit, so that I can show how this works. So I'll click on magic layers again. So as you can see, it's doing its magic. Yes, it is doing its magic, and it will take a few seconds. Yes, it will take a few seconds and all of this will be done, so that you can go ahead and start editing your image. So you can wait for that small time that is going to take. So as you can see, it's done. So when we uploaded this image, it was all together, and now you can move this and you can go ahead and change the text if you want. To show you that this image was all together, I can go back here in my uploads and upload this image right down here. Before, when I uploaded this image, I couldn't change anything here. The image was all together, stacked up together. But now, because of that magic edit, I can move things up. If I want, I can move this woman up. But when you go back to the original image, you can't move the woman up. If you touch anything, the whole image will move. So if I want, I can move her up. If I want, I can make her smaller like that. If you want, you can make the size go. If you want, you can remove these ones if you don't want them. So that's how you can edit an image that was already created. And if you want to edit it and remove what you don't want, to add your own. For example, if you wanted to remove this, you can go ahead, delete it. If you want to change the text, you can go ahead, change it. So it will depend on you. That's another new feature that was added to Canva. Yes. So now I'm going to also show you another feature that was added to Canva that you can use, and this is called, I'll come here and click on more. So when I come here and click on more, they have also added the Canva code, and now because of the new launch, they have also added another version which is better. And why this Canva code is good, it can help you to build an app as simple as easy. There is this Canva code AI 1.01, but they also have recent added 2.0. So you can either choose to go with 2.0 or you can stick with 1.01. So what this one helps, it can help you to build an app using AI. You don't have to code. For example, this is already a prompt that is in Canva, but you can go to AIs like ChatGPT, Cloud AI to write for you another better prompt to create an app according to what you want. So I will use this prompt which has been already there to generate an app. But if you want, you can also come here and put in a prompt that you want. But I'll just click here because I don't want this video to get so long. So as you can see, Canva is thinking, yes, and it's going to go ahead and design for you an interactive app without you coding anything. All you need is a prompt, and with that prompt, you are good to go. Yes, and here it's showing you the lines that are going to be in the app, and I've told you if you want to be on a better version, you can upgrade to Canva 2.0. Yes, it's among the recent things that Canva launched, and it takes some few minutes for the app to be built up. But this is cool and great because you don't have to know how to code, and it did not even take up to maybe 5 minutes. It took maybe like 30 seconds, or not even a minute did not reach. So as you can see, this is an app that you can go ahead and choose to work with, or you can go ahead and write another prompt. So if it did anything that you did not like, you can just come here and ask it to change something. For example, I can ask it to change the color to pink. So it can go ahead and change the color for you if you want it to pink or any other color that you want. So it will go ahead and give you another version which is updated where the color is changed. Or if it puts salt and you don't like it, maybe you want to put meat, it can go ahead and put that. So it will depend on you on how you are going to prompt this. And the good thing about this, you can go ahead and publish it, or if you want, you can just come here and show the code. So here, this is the pink version that it has gone ahead to create for us. So as you can see, this is the pink version it has managed to create for us. So you go on prompting it up to when you get the app that you want. Here it can show you the code. Maybe if you want to copy this code and go paste it into your website or any other place, you can copy the code, or you can stick with the app and just go ahead and publish it using Canva. Or you can come here and copy the code and go upload it or go paste it into your website and use the app there. Yes, so it depends on you. It can do both. You can publish it using Canva, or you can go ahead and use it somewhere else. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is this cool feature. So I'll click here on Canva apps. Yes, when I click on Canva apps, nowadays Canva has a lot of apps, and you can go ahead and use Canva. Excuse me, I have some flu. Nowadays with this, you can now come here and use PayPal with Canva. So I'll just come here and type in the word pay. PayPal. So I'll enter that. You can go ahead nowadays and add your PayPal payments to Canva. So if a person wants to buy your design, you just put a link or a code where they scan it, and they will just go ahead and pay you like that. So as you can see on this demo here, you see this is a code that a person can scan, and they will send the money directly to your PayPal. So what you need, if a person wants to use this design, they'll just go here and put in their PayPal, pay money to this person, or they can just scan this QR code and go ahead to pay. So those are the new cool features that Canva has updated. You don't have to struggle to find a platform where you can sell your products. Now you can sell them directly in Canva using this PayPal integration they have added. So if this video has been of help to you, I would like to give you this freebie that can help you to start your digital product journey. It's a free roadmap that you can download and start using right away, even as a complete beginner. See you in the next video.